88-word ancient wealth script transforms you into a manifesting magnet. I can't promise you'll be a millionaire using this 88-word wealth script, but you'll never have to worry about money, ever again. The online businesses I got into just made the guy who sold the course richer while I stayed flat broke. He had spent much of his research mapping their brainwave patterns and looking at how their states of consciousness could affect reality. He talked about something he called the Hawthorne effect, where changes in the brains of people could affect the wider environment. There have been a number of experiments confirming this effect, like in the Hawthorne experiment where a number of Buddhist monks moved into an area of Washington, D.C. in the 1970s, and the crime numbers suddenly dropped. He even talked about how they could heal themselves and even heal others with just the power of their minds in a state of consciousness beyond the conscious and subconscious mind. I even ended up telling him about that moment with my little girl where I could not even afford to keep her warm. If I help you, Daniel, do you promise to use what I show you for good? To help your family and help your community. It turned out that Dr. Sullivan was a neuroscience genius who had been a key figure in what was known as the remote viewing experiments by the CIA during the Cold War years. The goal was to determine whether remote viewing could be reliably used for military intelligence purposes. One remote viewer could describe the layout of Soviet military bases he had never physically seen thousands of miles away. Another well-known remote viewer was used to locate enemy installations and missing persons using nothing but his mind. Some reports claim that remote viewers accurately described details about the Soviet Typhoon-class submarine before its public discovery. All these remote viewers were accessing a new state of mind beyond what the conscious or unconscious mind. What most people don't know is that these remote viewers were accessing a new state of consciousness. This superconscious state is the third level of consciousness beyond the conscious and unconscious mind we all know about. The famous psychologist Maslow had talked about this third level of superconsciousness too. He referred to it as a peak state or flow state, which you might be familiar with today, when musicians and athletes talk about it. Inside this superconscious state, remote viewers were able to move beyond the bounds of this reality and see far away into other countries. Subjects were also able to change events that happened to them and create fortunate events in the superconscious state. What most people don't know is this was not the first time the CIA had experimented with the superconscious state. They were using data and research from other experiments many years before to access this superconscious state. Sri Aurobindo was a Hindu mystic and spiritual leader who had visited the USA in 1947. He was said to know the secrets of awakening and transcending ordinary consciousness into a new conscious state. It was believed to contain profound insights into cosmology, consciousness, and spiritual liberation. According to Sri Aurobindo, although this superconscious state was seen as something relatively new, it was anything but. The Hindu ancients saw the superconscious mind as a natural state where they were able to manifest whatever they wanted at will. Ancient Hindu kings and leaders had used the superconscious state to build their famous Hindu temples like those in Konark on the east coast of India that contained immense wealth. And how one particular passage in the lost book, Kapila Samhita, had a script inside it that helped people access this superconscious state. The last thing the deep state and Rockefellers wanted was ordinary people getting access to this superconscious state where they could become financially free. I mean, how would big billionaire business owners collect their billions in profits without a low-paid slave-wave workforce? When subjects in the remote viewing experiment were read one particular passage from the ancient Kapila Samhita, a blend of different brainwave frequencies associated with heightened awareness, deep relaxation, and enhanced cognitive function. So many of these events happened, in fact, that the deep state behind the remote viewing experiments got nervous and they considered this level of superconsciousness and the wealth wave it produced to be a threat to the state. Billionaires like the Rockefellers could never build their empires on cheap labor if ordinary people could access financial abundance by themselves so easily. And that's why the CIA locked the ancient Hindu text known as Kapila Samhita, with its wealth script away in one of their CIA vaults. The 88-word ancient script that activates the superconscious state and the wealth wave in the brain. This person had once relied on the food bank to get back on his feet financially after losing his business. What was even more surprising is he was offered a head chef position in a leading hotel in the city. Within a week of listening to the 88-word ancient script, she accidentally met the man of her dreams in a coffee shop. I made contact with Dr. Sullivan again and asked how this 88-word ancient wealth script worked in more detail. In his research, he had found that the words of the ancient script activated a part of the brain known as the prefrontal cortex, PFC, particularly associated with higher-order thinking, often associated with spiritual insight. This ancient script was activating the prefrontal cortex of subjects when they recited or listened to the words in the script, restoring them to their natural abundant self where they experienced the wealth wave brain frequency inside the superconscious state. This is not something I normally would invest in, but I bumped into this guy straight after I had listened to the ancient wealth script. He struggled to keep up most months with the others at work and was always last on the sales leaderboard. We called it the ultimate money attraction script, inspired by ancient Hindu wisdom and developed by a top neuroscientist proven to do the work for you. To effortlessly attract wealth, break bad luck with money curses, and attract more abundance than you can imagine possible right now. Here's how it works. Step number 1: wake up like you normally do and have your morning coffee if you like. Pop on your headphones and listen to the Wealth Wave script. Step number 2: go about your day as normal, no effort, no overthinking. Step number 3: watch what happens as wealth and good fortune seem to find you, to seek you out and transform your life for the better. If you're watching this video right now, you still have a chance to claim your copy of the Wealth Wave script. Many people, who had no money before, tried out the Wealth Wave script and told me I should be charging $3,000 for it. After all, they got back 10 times and more when they tried the Wealth Wave script. That did not sit well with me, though. I know if you're here right now, that money is an issue for you in your life, and that kind of price just excludes people. That's not what I wanted. All that is needed for an instant access to the Wealth Wave script is a one-time, risk-free investment of just $39. When you hit the order button below right now and enter your details, you will be sent an email with immediate access to the Wealth Wave script. We use a 256-bit security encryption software on ClickBank, one of the world's largest retailers of digital products. Hit the order button below, get instant access to the Wealth Wave script, and if for any reason or no reason you are not 100% happy, your information is safe and secure. The entire transaction will take place on a secure server using SSL technology. I want to build a long-term relationship with you, and I can't do that unless we start off on the right foot, with you attracting more money and good fortune than you ever thought possible. Get access to the following bonuses absolutely free. All these bonuses have a combined value of $567, yet they are yours today for free when you get instant access to the Wealth Wave script. Your information is safe and secure. The entire transaction will take place on a secure server using SSL technology. There is one of two paths you can take right now. If you're broke or worried about money right now, this path just leads you in the same direction. The same destination of more money worries. Your information is safe and secure. The entire transaction will take place on a secure server using SSL technology. Frequently asked questions. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank is a registered trademark of ClickSales Inc., a Delaware corporation located at 1444 S Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410 Boise, Idaho 83709, USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in promotion of these products.